Hey everyone, I'm Nathan Firth, and today I want to give you a tour of the NewRocket office. Let's go. So we've designed this space to be very fun and friendly for employees, to create a great work environment where we can all come together and collaborate. So we've created lots of hangout spaces with couches and tables where we can all get together and have fun together. We've created this kitchen area with coffee and drinks. We have our conference rooms for all the meetings that we have throughout the week. Coming over here, we have our ping pong table and a great meeting area with big screen TV. Come up here and I'll show you what we have. So this is our video game entertainment area where we have couches. Sometimes we use this for meetings as well, but we have our big screen TV with our PlayStations and Xboxes, and we have a beautiful little balcony mezzanine out here where we can come and look down and see employees working. So this is my favorite conference room in the building because we've installed a garage door. So this is our collaboration area where we have all of our whiteboards. We do all of our brainstorming with the design team in here. And here's our developer area where the majority of our developers that come in are able to work. Every desk is a stand-up desk, complete with widescreen monitors. We have our private offices. And then here's my office, complete with my skateboard collection. And now to take you into my favorite portion of the whole building. And this is our gym area. We have a full workout gym as well as a rock climbing wall. And then we also recently put in a shower, so when employees are done working out, we can rinse off and be ready to get back to work. And that is the NewRocket office. Thank you guys for coming with me and checking it out.